Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm showing you how to install a glueless wig. No glue, no mess, just an easy, flawless install.
Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these figures down like a camel. You don't really to throw you up.
Let's do a quick unboxing of this Mark Beauty Collection wig. It comes nicely packaged. It comes with a lot of goodies such as our brand lashes, a melt band, edge brush, a wig brush, some business cards, and you're ready to wear glueless wig. Our wigs come with extra security. It comes with the adjustable straps and the elastic band that's connected for extra security. To best blend the lace, use our lace erase tint spray that matches your skin tone. Spray the lace on the inside and blow dry completely before installing. Next up, you'll need your edge brush and some spritz or some gel. I'm about to be a little vulnerable. Watch, and we do not judge, okay? I hate getting my hair done, so I usually keep my cornrows in for months. So if you know, okay? But anyways, I like to oil my scalp every other day. Okay, let's get back to the install. So you want to make sure your hair is braided or slicked back into a low ponytail so you have a nice and flat base. And then you want to make sure you use your spritz or your gel and slick back your edges. Take the lace and you want to put the lace directly on your forehead and then put the elastic band behind your nape. And flip the rest of the wig back, and then you just want to adjust it to your hairline. Pin your hair back so it's out the way as you prepare to cut the lace. Since this is a beginner-friendly class, I prefer that you cut it with scissors instead of a razor so you have more control and you cut it in a zigzag motion. Sometimes when you use a razor, it makes you go straight across, and you do not want that. Start by cutting the thick tabs on each end of the lace. Okay, now that each end is cut off, you want to use your scissors and cut a slit up the middle. Ladies, please make sure you are cutting in a zigzag motion and not straight across. If you end up cutting the lace straight across, your lace will be detectable, okay? And you do not want that. That is not the look or the vibe we are going for, okay? We want everything to be seamless and, what y'all say? Unclockable. Grab your spritz and elastic band to lay the lace down for a few minutes as it helps the lace mold to your skin naturally. I decided I want to add baby hairs at the last minute, y'all. So I prefer natural and thin baby hairs instead of the dramatic eyebrow touching baby hairs. That's just my preference. You want to make sure you section out a thin section of hair, and then you want to cut it in an angle. Repeat the same process on the opposite side. Grab you some foam and your edge brush, and then you want to just mold the baby hairs in C shapes. Once again, you'll need your spritz and your melt band so you can mold and tame your edges. While your hair is molding, you can continue styling your hair. So when I have deep waves texture, just know a spray bottle and foam hate to see me coming, child. The thing with curly hair, you want to make sure the whole wig is saturated with water and leave-in conditioner for the best results. My go-to leave-in conditioner is Mixed Chicks. I like to use a generous amount. You want to make sure you apply the product from root to end. This stuff smells so good, y'all. Oh my gosh. Please make sure you blow dry the hair on the lace before you apply your hot comb. If not, you are guaranteed to burn your scalp. Once the hair on the lace is dry, you want to go in with your heat protectant and your hot comb. So the thing with the hot combs, those things get very, very hot. So make sure you have it on medium heat so you do not burn your scalp. Now I'm debating if I want to do a flip over, a half up, half down, or maybe a middle part. Yes, y'all, I'm a Libra, so if you know, you know, I'm very indecisive, but I finally decided on a middle part. Take your time, get that part nice and crisp, and make sure you go back in with that hot comb and press it out. So grab you some Ruby Kisses number 12 and an angle brush to redefine that part. Less is more, ladies. Make sure you start from the back to the front. All you need is one scoop of the product. Do not overdo it. Okay, here's the moment of truth. Is she completely glueless? Yes, completely glueless. And that's it. A quick, easy, and completely glueless install. Perfect for everyday wear. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more hair tips and tutorials.